Hi dear children, this is your GK ma'am. Welcome to the GK class. So how are you children? I hope you all are fine and safe, right? Shall we start our session with prayer? All of you just close your eyes and pray. Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All of you slowly open your eyes. So what today's topic? Freedom fighters. So freedom fighters means people who are sacrificed their life for the freedom of the country. Okay. So in India, where the British ruled our country more than 250 years. So many freedom fighters fought and sacrificed their life to free India. Okay, we already seen some of our freedom fighters in our last sessions, and they are Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bhagat Singh and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So Mahatma Gandhi is also called as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and he is a father of our nation. So he is a most important leader in the Indian independence movement. So he followed the non-violence method to against the British rule. So his birthday October 2nd declared as International Day of Non-Violence. So the next leader Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru also one of the famous leader in the Indian independent movement, and he is considered as the modern architect of modern India. And he was the first Prime Minister of our country, and we celebrate his birthday November 14 as Children's Day, and the Indian children called as Chacha Nehru. So the next leader Rajendra Prasad, he also one of the major leader, and he followed the Gandhi's way. So he is the first Prime Minister of India. So the next one Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel is also famously known as the Iron Man of India. We fondly called as Sardar. Sardar means the chief. So he is a vice Prime Minister of our country. So the next leader Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first Vice President and second President of India. His birthday September 5th we celebrate as Teachers Day. The next leader Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was the first popular of the Indian independent movement. He found a lay of independent movement, and he was given the title of Lokamanya. The British colony authorities called him the father of Indian unrest. So the Lokamanya means where the leader loved by all the people. So the next leader Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a revolutionary hero of our country. He sacrificed his entire life to the freedom of our country, and he sacrificed his life and died at the age of 25 to make India independent. So the next leader Subhash Chandra Bose, we also well known as Netaji. So he called as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He formed an army called the Indian National Army to fight against the British. So his way is completely different with Gandhiji. So he is a hero of our country. So children, all these leaders we have seen in our last classes. So this session we are going to do an activity. So the worksheet number 2. So I will read the question. You answer for the question. Don't write the name of the leaders. Just write the answer A, B or C. Don't write all the names and words. So the first question. Who is called as Mahatma? Who is called as Mahatma? The answer either Jawaharlal Nehru or Gandhi or Bal Gangadhar Tilak. You find the right answer and write the answer for this question. Just only write A, B or C. Whether the answer is correct in the 3 options. So the next question. Who sacrificed his life at very young age for freedom of India? So write the answer given below. So the next question. Who is our first president of India? So either Vallabhbhai Patel or Rajendra Prasad or Tilak. You just think the question and write the answer that we have given in these options correctly. So the next question. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14 or October 2nd or September 5. You write the correct answer. Just write A, B or C. The 5th one, Iron Man of India. So who is called Iron Man of India? Either Bhagat Singh or Radhakrishnan or Vallabhbhai Patel. Write the correct answer. Don't write names. Just you put for first 5th question answer B or C. Okay, then all of you finish your work and send it to the classroom app. This is your homework today. So children, please avoid your mobile phone, laptop, desktop or any other gadgets item after your session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits and vegetables. Also avoid to go outside. So stay home, stay safe. We will meet in our next session. Okay? Thank you.